Have your customers gotten a TSB about oil filter precautions on certain GM vehicles? Counterintelligence is next.
This video is sponsored by Mala, manufacturers of engine components, filters, and peripherals. Visit mala-aftermarket.com for more information.
Hi guys, it's Mark Phillips. Certain GM vehicles between 2004 and 2011 have had engine issues after oil filter installation. We're talking about vehicles such as the Buick Rendezvous, Enclave, the LaCrosse, Cadillac, Malibu, the list goes on. The problem is oil filter misapplication, which can cause abnormal engine noise and in some cases, catastrophic damage, according to GM. GM notes that some counterfeit or poorly made parts may be the culprit because while they look similar to the OEM version, they also don't match up to the original specifications. The company also says if inferior parts are used, it could damage the engine and void the warranty. GM is telling technicians to ensure they get parts from a trusted source. Well, that is good advice. It's imperative that your customers not only get the proper oil filter for this application, but to also replace the oil filter gasket to help fix or prevent leaks, especially one that improves upon the original design. For example, the use of ACM rubber rather than the original silicone rubber design is a major improvement that allows for more resistance to heat and hot oil. Lastly, recommend new fasteners to your customers, especially ones with a thread locking patch, so the maximum gasket performance is achieved. If a customer isn't replacing the fasteners, it's a good idea to recommend a thread locking chemical that can be applied to the fastener threads. Either of these methods go a long way to increase the sealing capability of the gasket. I'm Mark Phillips, and thanks for watching.